Sleep. Auntie. Auntie, look into this for 3 seconds. What is that, Chris? Yo. Oh, you think I'll never find you again? Bro, where's my money?
What money, bro?
Where is my money? Yo, where's my money? You know what?
What money, bro?
Look into this for 3 seconds. Sleep. Auntie, look into this for 3 seconds. Auntie. Auntie. Look into this for 3 seconds. It's just 3 seconds. It's just 3 seconds. Come on. Just 3 seconds. What?
Bengizomazisa futhi ngiphinde ngibuyela kuwena jukujuku isekhezetheni la akaqoma ukuthi la ekhezetheni into engathukwa nje ukuthi indoda into eyimpilo yethu ithi indoda nje nabantu besifazane nje ukuthi nje indoda nabantu besifazane nje
yenzani
indoda nje nabantu besifazane nje ngisho ngalayisha 2 ngisho ngalayisha 3 ngisho ngalayisha omeni indoda nje nabantu besifazane
according to who
jukujuku ngididi ngesingisi thina amazulu
okay according to him
thina amazulu
and on top of what rules who wrote the rules
thina amazulu
ubani ebhalile leyo
umthetho wethu thina amazulu
ubani ebhalile
Master Rota. Arpita somtar ke vetar matosam kativer katoseta. Skorgita ni gozi sam farke socha. Marka vetar tom saati farko tom sitikine. Sam jumwa kiti fi sam kotar katene mi kotar. Arto me akusum fiket.
khona kwale language
eyona imoto iyafuneka nyani ngoba kaloku xa sihamba okanye sifuna ukuya eDurban uyiqonda into enjalo funeka sibe nemoto siqabele imoto and ndifuna indoda enezakhe hayi nezakhe yona iyafuneka kaloku izosapota labazukulwane bami
Ipsothini danki Machobela danki Maphalala right for Ipsothini Soweto Jenson I
number 5
ni ana nikhiphe lento le sikubuka i-iPhone yakho iPhone bani le iPhone 16
imali ayidliwa namankazana asekho ayidliwa tu ize ndiphumelele mna into kuthiwa ndiliqolo
yakwa ilento
iconnecting kodwa uyawathanda
osipana ufakele yakhe iTV yejikilana ayina remote yayicofeka ufake shiupe lokhu hayi ndiyabona sumsema TV inwayila yapheka bebe hey mchaki yejiki
manje sithi la mina ngithi inabe ayibona cha bafuna ube noshoti anaba ndathi izandla zithiwa kanje izandla avela nje abazithiwa kanje izandla vele ingene la check ihlale kanje ihlale kanje lithi ibambe lithi mlungu izithi izandla zayo yo ayijonga le check ayiba kanje usajonga phambili zisaqabela nje kanje yo yabona mina ngizama ithe kanje ivele vula kanye ngoyihlale phansi chazuka le ndawo vele kodwa uzibona ukuthi libhaji mina zithe ngabe chazuka le ndawo anazala yabaleka
uyabe sekaratini
insusa ungazali
nginamabali ithi
jonga iHennes ngokudanga
Okay.
iHennes ayivelanga yebo
Uyidesha kanjani?
yazi iHennes lo yintoni kuthiwa iConnect
Yes.
iConnect le yadana setshayo
Ayo brand le, buy brand.
iConnect le dana jonga yanjani ayokho ma jonga njani nje iConnect when it comes into yoba uyisela ngoku ne ngomso sebamanzi uphinde uncede yebo
Okay.
yebo uqala ngkhemzos yayazi le nto ndiyiselayo
Yivar bafethu le.
Jonga ngomso zaselamanzi iphinde ncile yabo yintoni iConnect there is a jifa between iConnect kunye nebrand yabo ukhona mohluko phakathi kwayo nebrand
Ayiswa ndangala ntoni kuthe ngani zethu ubonga
yathethwa apha
into nangu ngala kenyana buze neswekele yona yabona vela
bengawo Sekile kangaka
Utena ngidla esenye nina abantu abaphangela uhlona abantu Hey man
Ungandibambi ngesifuba
Saselakudala
ndokubona uba usenza clever kodwa ndi-clever uthi ndisenza clever kodwa ndi-clever namhlanje funeke sonwabe sivuyisane amadoda amatsha kube mlandi uba ngaba sinegrudge omnye nomnye namhlanje mhlambi ngokuphuma kwezintwana iyaphela loo grudge ngoba ezinto ziyathetha aba baphantsi kwale ndawo belele nje bayathetha basijongile bancumile bayavuya ndicela into yoba ke umsebenzi walapha emazangweni mabenhle bemandi ufane nabantu balapha
amako tata pesa yo
Because after that, Snona, first time I saw Snona driving a Polo car. You know, this one is driven by these Uber boys, the small car, VW. Snona was driving that car. He called me, he said, I'm with Kat, we are driving this Polo, we are getting out of Oyster Box. So I said, okay, come up because I'm in the vicinity. He gave me a description of the car. I spotted the car. Then I said, okay, I see I'm driving this car in front of you, the Mercedes-Benz. Can you see it? He said, yeah, no, we can see it. I said, okay.
Molweni guys. Bengicela ubuza uba nina nenze njani xa nibone abantu benu like umuntu mhlawumbe ubone umuntu okhetshitha like uye wenze njani wena?
Uye wenze njani? Uyamuva wona mndase.
Yesazi noma sibulele. Utheni ngasixeleli uba ngaba ibhiya imnandi kakhulu babulele usele uphinde uthenga ibhiya bekuseni uyisele. Utheni nganingatsho madoda ba uvela ubuyele ngqolweni kakuhle kanjani. Why yazi bekade ndinibona abantu manje nisela utywala ekuseni ndingayazi ba into le yenzayo niyenzela ntoni. Yho. Hayi nisiphe ulwazi madoda nisiphe ulwazi olukhulu. Hayi mnandi sir njengingaba madoda into nisenza ibhiya ekuseni. You akusemnandi.
Jonga. Awake.
Nangeni wake.
Amathani wenu awake. Nani
ni wake
nonke. Umza right jonga izabaqhubza baba. Uza Graham. Izabaqhuza baba. Awuna kwa. What do you mean?
Anamtu mna Anjol.
It's about to go down.
Ndifuna umuntu apha around. Like zombiza ngoku.
Anilungi apha.
Ulunga njani wena ngicabana?
Asozitype and shit zabe.
God have mercy upon us.
Ulunga abantu abatheni wena?
Tata.
Hani vile chance? Akho type yakhe ulunga kwetata. Bakhona nje utata ababhuda abanice ihang i-big boys.
Ababenu.
Mhlawumbe age esingaphi? 40
50.
Aibo.
Biologically,
Your grandfather is a graduate.
I don't even think I've got a medulla oblongata. Dibene cerebrum. Dibene cerebrum.
Yeah, bene parabellum.
Is a god of Yadiba determines. Sure, Father. Because there is that cerebrum and cerebrum. They are working. Every day they are working. Causes you to be movable, not immovable. It's because of it.
Ni mesa ihlangane my boy. Yes, tufuza. Hey. Isso, vale. Indeed. But the good thing about it is we can be like go no work through. No work hard.
Busy, yeah, busy.
Boy.
Ango sabo.
Yo. Tambule shushu kanga. Best couple ever. Ena mangen, sungolap. Thetha nabani?
Mna kaloku ndimamtipa ke mnaka. Ilineni yami nguNono. Thembakazi kenye kathi izapha kumafana. Othi. Izolo mna mamtipa. Upayele kaloku. Upayele njena ngoyiwa.
Uzazisa kubani? Yo, izopheka kokwayo.
Couple yayithathwa phi le?
Ito indoda mzulu, uteni yasina.
Ngizalwa njena, ngizalwa ematipeni. Ematipeni okwakeya. Yebo kaloku. Tasitha kangaka. Umatipe ke mna kaloku ubhayele. Ukubhayele njena ndunguyiwa. Ndunguyiwa njena ndungumanzi. Ndungumanzi njena nguJosimela. uJosimela. Ongawinyamakala. Onyamayakathe bazalwa ngubani? Bazalwa ngubani? Obhabhisi bazalwa ngubani? Bazalwa nguJosi. Cha, ubudele umnyama. Ubukhaya.
Hayi zaka nayibona ihappiness engaka. Hayibo. Ale couple happy nyani bafethu. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one. Sure.